we are looking at what is the meaning of the word walk as an adjective. Of course, as a verb, it's simply the past tense of the verb wake. But as an adjective, what is a person being walk? The Merriam-Webster defines it as aware of and actively attentive to important facts and issues, especially issues of racial and social justice. Essentially, it describes someone who has woken up to issues of social injustice, as a broad sense. Some now also use it to describe people who are easily offended or overreact to sensitive subjects or speech, especially around political issues and topics. This is what being woke means, being alert to injustice in society. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and meanings of interesting vocabulary. Thanks for watching.